What's going on, guys? It's Nick from Fueled by Forex here, and today we're going to be going over the algorithm trading system. It's completely free, and whether you found this video organically, or maybe you're looking to purchase it, or maybe you're a current client who's following the next directions, you can find us at fueledbyforextrading.com. Underneath the membership section, you'll find the software for sale. Totally free. You just purchase it, you get sent an email with the next steps, and the purpose of this video right now is to show you those next steps because this software is truly amazing. I built it back in 2019. And I was able to flip $1,000 to six figures, and then I did it again with even a smaller amount. I think it was like $750, and I was able to take it to $25,000. And I think one of the reasons why this system works so well is because it's not like any other indicator out there. Most indicators are just distractions. If you think about it, they're just really confusing and clouding your chart and just a calculation of the exact same thing. All indicators are just showing you price, but in a different way, right? The human body, the human mind internalizes this information and makes decisions off it. Meanwhile, it's the same data, just displayed in different ways. And what this software accomplishes is looking at what truly matters, which is price. But before we jump into that, let's go ahead and go through the setup process. And the first step is after getting your email, and the first step is going to be going over to Dropbox and downloading all these files that I've played out for you here. And the next step after that, you're going to want to open up your MetaTrader 4, and we're going to install the files. So you go to File, Open Data Folder. First thing you can do is just go to Templates. You put in your new highs and your new lows files. They're TPL files. That's how you know when they're a template. From there, go to MQL4. You're going to go to your indicators file. Put in the currency strength indicator, put in the algorithm trading system. Those are EX4 files. In addition to that, you got to jump into the libraries. Drop in the DLL file. It's the FBF algorithm trading system, DLL file. Very important. From there, you have preloaded templates. Just open up two of the same pair. You can choose whatever pair you want. It doesn't matter. You can trade currencies, crypto, stocks, whatever your broker offers you. You can find a way to place trades and make predictions with this software. So for me, it's really simple. I just right click, template, and I'll apply the new highs to one chart, and then I'll jump over to the next chart and I'll apply the new lows. It'll take a couple seconds for the software to load, but once it does, you are good to go. And what you want to do at that point is just apply it to however many pairs you want. Right? So when I apply the template, it brings up my chart. This is what I personally use. I just use a quick moving average, which is the 50, and then just a darker image in the currency strength, just so I can see what's strong versus what's weaker, right? And help make decisions off that. Now, today was actually a beautiful trade on all JPY. If you take a closer look, we use the M15 and the M5 timeframes. And I won't go too deep into this, but basically, this itself is the algorithm line, right? This is a 9 low SR. So within the last 9 weeks or the 9 years, there has been a yearly low with a weekly low that has lined up at basically the same price here, right? Right here at 93.5. And what happened during the US session today was price came up over the line, closed above the line, came down and tested it, and then took off. And that's exactly the setup that we look for when utilizing this software. So if price is above the line, we're taking buys. If price is below the line, we're taking sells. And it's really just as easy as that. And the reason why it's so strong is because there will be literally zero drawdown from your entry, and you'll catch moves 40, 50, 100, 150, 200, 250 pip moves in the markets where you're able to actually take on a little bit more risk than average because you're getting out really quick. For example, if price were to throw this candle in and then come further down past into the line on the other side, we would have just closed the trade for minus 5, 10, 15 pips, whatever your strategy is, and limited that loss and reevaluated what was going on. But since this trade took right off, you could have had say if you had one lot on this trade, you would have made 500 bucks over the course of about an hour, and you would have been done for the day, right? But I won't dive too deep into this. I want to do some follow-up videos, but my recommendation to you is to reach out, keep an eye on your email. I'm going to be reaching out to you with more emails, regardless of whether you message me or not. And it's going to have some tips, tricks, and tell you a little bit more about what Fueled by Forex does. But this is the exact setup, exact software that I just rinsed and repeated all the way to 6 figures in Fueled by Forex back when I first started trading. Really changed my life once I stopped trying to follow, indicators that cross here and these lines over there, and the MACD flips like this, and the RSI over here, and blah, blah, blah. If you just look at price and you just identify a simple, easy pattern to follow, you're going to be better off than, I would say, 90% of the traders out there. Right? If you have problems with managing your trades, and that's whether you hold trades for too long, or you hold trades not long enough, or you don't know when to get into trades, this system's going to really help you out, right? You're going to have to sit on your hands until a pattern develops and then take the trade. You're not going to just be trading just to trade. Your stop losses are going to be very limited. We use really tight stop losses, 5, 10, 15 pips, right? So if your problem is that your software or your system makes you hold trades for too long, or maybe your manual trading, you just let it run and you turn it into a gamble and it just goes against you and blows your account, this software is going to help you limit that and totally kind of eliminate the chance that you just explode yourself in one trade with proper risk management. All right. But I look forward to your arrival. I look forward to speaking with you, and hopefully we can make you a successful trader much faster than it took me. But that wraps up the algorithm system. I will be in touch with you shortly. Keep an eye on your email, and I look forward to talking to you.